Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell XRP on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the D-app browser. You'll need to connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange that supports XRP, such as PancakeSwap. Make sure you have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover the transaction fees, which are typically very low, often less than $1. Once in the D-app browser, type the name of a suitable decentralized exchange, like PancakeSwap, into the search bar. After finding it, tap to open the exchange's website. You will then see a prompt to connect your wallet. Confirm this connection to link your Trust Wallet securely to the exchange, allowing you to proceed with your transaction. Now, on the exchange interface, find the Swap or Trade section. Select XRP as the token you want to sell, often labeled from. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, labeled to. Enter the specific amount of XRP you want to swap. Review all the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming the swap. After confirming the swap, the transaction will process on the blockchain. You can usually view its status directly on the exchange or through a block explorer. Once complete, your new cryptocurrency will appear in your Trust Wallet balance. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.